So for setting up like Raspberry Pi Pico in Arduino, first you have to go to File, Preferences. Then you can see the additional board manager URLs, right? So here what you have to do is basically you have to copy a URL link which basically redirects to a Git page of the Raspberry Pi Pico repo library. So I'll share that link also here. So it's basically, I mean, I can share you that link. See here. You can search also Git repo of Raspberry Pi. So you'll get it like github.com /slash Arduino Pico / releases download packages. Okay. So then click OK. Once that is done, so then you have to uh, go to tools, then here board manager. So here you can type, so it's still loading actually. You can see here like still it is downloading JSON package. So it takes some time. So once it loads all the packages, right, I will see that. So it takes some time. Depends on the speed of your internet. So once you install, I mean, like once you add that link and that gets loaded here in your Arduino. So here you will get an option for Raspberry Pi Pico installation. So let's just click install. So you can see that like the processing Raspberry Pi Pico packages. So it starts again, it starts downloading those packages and starts installing. Okay. Again, you have to wait for this to get completed. Depends on your net speed. So once that installation is done, that like you get this message. So you have to go to the select board, whatever the port you have connected the Raspberry Pi Pico with, like just click on that and you can search Pico here in the board and you get all the option, right? So you will see this option Raspberry Pi Pico. Click on that, then click OK. So you'll see that like Raspberry Pi Pico is basically selected, right? So now, actually once that everything gets installed, right? You have chosen the Raspberry Pi Pico, then go to File, then you can choose like very basic example of like blinking the LED. So this is something like hello world for us in the hardware. So now we will see like once you click on that basically, so you will be seeing basically new window will be launched. Then so you'll be seeing this basic code. So next task is to program that, right? So just you click on like first you can verify this code, then we'll see that like it's compiling, right? So once it gets compiled, then we basically have to upload the code, right? So let it get compiled. Get compiled. Now next job is to upload, right? So we need to upload this code to our Raspberry Pi board. So click on upload. So when you click on upload, you can see the message saying building the sketch, right? So when you upload, like either if it is like detected as COM4, then the web2 file automatically loaded to your flash. Else, like you can like after compiling whatever the web2 is generated, like just copy paste in the web2. I mean, you know that like Raspberry Pi will be loaded as flash drive in your PC. So you can just copy paste that web2 file into that Raspberry Pi like manually. So it will be loaded into the flash. Thank you.